Unit 4 articles. Unit 4 articles. In standard 6 also we have seen the chapter articles and what kind of article it is, a, and the. These three are the main types of, these three are the main articles are there in the grammar. But before going to start this chapter, what is the article? What is the definition of article and what is the use of the article? We should know it. So, what is articles? Article used to tell the quantity of singular noun and to specify which noun is talked about. That means the article is tell us the quantity of singular noun, and for the singular noun what we use here, a and to specify which noun is talked about. If we know already the thing, we are familiar to thing, that time we use the article the. And if we are not familiar with the thing and it is the singular noun, that time we use a and an. In the detail also we see, you just have to know what is the article. Article, we used article to tell the quantity of singular noun. To tell the quantity of singular noun and to specify which noun is talked about. Right? Now there are three articles. There are three articles, a and the. A and the. These three articles are very important in grammar. And if you see each and every sentence, there are just used these three articles, a and the. Now, when to use a article? First, you should know when to use that particular a article, when to use that particular an article, and when to use the particular the article. There are two indefinite articles. There are two indefinite articles, which are they? A and an. A and an. These two are indefinite article. So first we'll see when to use a article. When to use a article. A is the indefinite article, right? A is indefinite article used before to a singular countable noun. When to use a article? Before the singular countable noun. If in the sentence there is noun, subject is there and it is countable, that time we use a article which begin with consonants. There are 26 letters is there, 5 are consonants and the other rest of the letters are consonant. 5 are the vowels, 5 are the vowels and rest of the letter are consonants. So which 5 vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. I have written here A, E, I, O, U. Instead, apart from this vowel, the words will begin with the consonant. So the rest of the letters are the consonants, and if the word is begin, the singular countable noun is begin with the consonant, that time we use a article. That time we use a article when the word begin with the consonant and the word is singular countable noun. When the word begin with the consonant, apart from the vowels, begin with the consonant and the noun is singular countable, that time we use a article. And when to use an article? This is also indefinite article. And is also indefinite article. This is also used before singular countable noun also. As like this, a and an, these both are indefinite article. A and an, these both are indefinite article, and these both indefinite article used before singular countable noun. It used before singular countable noun. But a, when we use a when the words begin with the consonants, that time we use article a, and when the words begin with the vowels, that means when the words begin with word letter a, letter e, letter I, letter o, letter u. When the words begin with the vowels, that time we use article an. Now this a and an, these both are indefinite article. A and an both are indefinite article, and both are used before the singular countable noun. Both are used before the singular countable noun. The difference is there, just a we use when the singular countable noun begin with the consonant. When the singular countable noun begin with the consonant, that time we use a article, and when the indefinite article and singular countable noun begin with the vowels, like a, e, I, o, u, that time we use the article and. So you just note down first this in your notebook, then we see the examples. I hope student you got when to use a article and when to use an article. These both are indefinite article, and these both article used before the singular countable noun. Just the little difference is there, when the words begin with the consonant, that time we use a article, and when the word begin with the vowels, that time we use an article. Now we'll see the examples. First I have to rub this. Now one example is there when to use an article. We have seen we use an article when the words begin with the vowels. That time we use an article before the singular countable noun. Now the example of an article. Shweta feels like eating an egg. Vowels are there. Which vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Now in the second sentence, that is an umbrella. No, sorry. Now see here, in this sentence, two sentences I have written. When to use an article. So we have seen when the words, the singular countable noun begin with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, that time we use the article and. Now see here, first example, Shweta feels like eating an egg. Now here, this egg, this is the singular countable noun. So before this singular countable noun, what we have used here? We have used here an article because this word egg is begin with the vowels. This E is a vowel, so this word is begin with the vowel. That's why we have used here an article, an egg. Now in the second sentence, I feel like to eat an apple. I feel like to eat an apple. So here also this word apple, this word is begin with the vowels. That's why here which article is given here, the article and is there. So when the word is begin with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, that time we use the article and. Now when to use the article A. When to use the article A. Now these three sentences I have written for the article A. This is a tree. Now what we have seen, this is the A is also indefinite article and we use A article when the word singular countable noun begin with the consonant. So this T, rest of the letters instead of this A, E, I, this 5 are only the vowels and rest of the letter are the consonants. So here the word, the singular countable noun is begin with the T. So this T is consonant. So before this T, which article we have used here? A. Because the tree, this word is begin with the consonants. So here also that is a good news. So the G is also consonants. The G is also consonant. That's why we use here A. This is the consonant. So I love to play a football. So this A is also consonant. This A is also consonant. So we have used here A. Because the singular countable noun begin with the consonant T, G, and that's why what we use here, the article A. And here we can see when the words begin with the vowels, that time what we use the article and. So here E is there, A is there, and this is our vowel. That's why we have used article and. You please note down this in your notebook. because these sentences are not there in the textbook, so you have to note down this all the sentences for the example. Then we'll see when to use the article. Now we have seen the the using of article and a. When to use a article and when to use an article. Now let's see this a and this both article are indefinite article. These both are indefinite article. Now let's see the using of the article. The using of the article. The article is definite article. That means if we are sure, if we are confirmed, if we are familiar about the thing that time before that subject or object, we use the article. So it is called definite article. The is the definite article. The is definite article. It is used to refer to a particular noun or when both the speaker and hearer know what is being referred to. That means if the speaker and listener both are aware, both is sure about the things which they are talking about, that time we use the article, and the is definite article. So uses of the first, this is definite article. The is definite article. It is used to refer to a particular noun or when both the speaker and listener know what is being referred to. Is know what is being referred to. Now we have seen the a and this both article are indefinite article when the word the singular countable noun begin with the vowel, that time we use an article, and when the singular countable noun begin with the consonant, that time we use a, and that both are the indefinite article. But now we have to see the article, the use of the article. The is the definite article. The is the definite article, and it is used to a particular noun. It is used to a particular noun, and when the speaker and listener both are know what they are talking about. That means the speaker and listener, if I am talking about this book See, if I am talking about this book, this is GE book. I am also knowing this is GE book, and you are also aware about this. This is your GE book. And if I am talking about this book, so I am the speaker, you are the listener, and we both know this is the GE book. That means we are knowing about this GE book. That time we use before the GE book the GE book, because we are familiar with this GE book. When the speaker and the listener both are aware, both is knowing about the particular thing, that time we use the article. That time we use the article. So let's see the example. I just write here. I give the GE book to student. Now the second example. For your kind information, I have taken this example. This sentence is not in your GE book. Just for the reference, I have written this. Now the second example I take from your textbook. Amir is reading. Reading the comic book Shweta gave me. Now see, these two examples we have taken, and what when we use the article, when the listener and speaker, they both are aware, they both are familiar with the things, with that particular noun, with that particular object, that time we use article the, and this is definite article. Now here example I have written, I give the GE book to the student. I give GE book to student. So this GE book, I know this is GE book, you also know this is GE book. We both are familiar with the GE book. That's why what we have used here, the article. What we have used here, the article. Now here in the second sentence, Amir is reading the comic book Shweta gave him. That means Amir बुक रीड कर रहा है जो उसे श्वेता ने दी थी. एंड विच बुक अमीर इज रीडिंग द कॉमिक बुक. विच बुक इज रीडिंग द कॉमिक बुक. दैट मीन्स श्वेता ऑलरेडी read that book, then Shweta gave that book to Amir. Now Amir is reading that comic book. That means the Shweta and Amir, they both were familiar with that comic book. They both were familiar with that comic book. Shweta also know this is the comic book which she is reading, and now Amir is also reading the comic book. So the Amir and Shweta, they both are familiar, they both are knowing the comic book. That's why before comic book, here use the article. What we use? The article. And this is the particular. Here they are talking about the particular thing which they already knew. Here Amir and Shweta, they are talking about the particular noun. Here we have taken, it is referred to a particular noun. So this comic book is the particular noun which they are talking about, and they both are know this is the comic book. They know, they both are familiar about this book. So the article is written there. Even I and student, they both knew about the GE book. That's why before GE book, which article I have written here? The. That means when we are confirmed about the thing, when we know about the thing, with the particular any particular noun or any particular thing, that time we use the article, and the article is definite article. You please note down this in your notebook. Now the article the is used at the before the various noun. The article the we use at the various noun. First I just rub this. When we use, but we have seen if the speaker and listener both is aware, both is knowing about the thing, that time we use the article. Now the article is used before various noun. Which nouns are there? Let's see. The before some proper nouns such as name of mountains, ocean, mountain, monuments, ranges, holy books, direction, sea, river, newspaper, magazine, families, and titles. For that, before some any magazine, some proper magazine, we use the article. Before some particular newspaper, we use the article. Before the river, before the direction, before the books, holy book, because everyone is aware about that particular things. Because river, everyone knows Ganga, Yamuna, this river, everyone aware about that river. Oceans, everyone know. Some monuments like Taj Mahal, Bibi Ka Maqbara, these monuments everyone know. Mountains, Himalaya, right? Rivers, sea. These all things the people is already know. So if the people is already familiar with the things, that time we use the article. And even the article is used before some countries. Before the name of the countries also we use the article. And before the name of the things that are unique. Before the unique things we use the article. Before the country's name we use the article. Before the ocean, monuments, mountains, holy books, direction, for this we use the article. And before the unique things which can be not changed, for that also we use the article. And before the singular common noun which represent the entire class, that time also we use the article. Before the superlative degrees, that time we use the article. Before the ordinals and other similar objective, that time also we use the article. This all thing we will see in our next video. First I just give you homework. Make one sentence. By using a and the article. Now what we have to do? You have to do You have to make one sentence by using a article. You have to make one sentence by using an article. You have to make one sentence by using the article. This is your homework. Now in our next video we will see where we can use the article at before the various noun. So this is your homework. We will meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.